Hello friends, so in this video we are going to see how to create a Google Classroom. So let us start. So first of all, you have to just open your Gmail account. So as you can see, I have opened here my Gmail account. So from here, come to here, just here you can see all the Google apps. If you click on that and just drag down, you will see this classroom. Just click on that classroom. So the classroom is opening now. Now I will tell you how to create a classroom, particular class in this classroom app. So these are the classes which have been created. You can see. Now I will tell you how to create a new classroom. So from here you can see this plus sign. So it is for create or join a class. So we want to create a class. So let us click on this sign, then create class. Go to create class, then using classroom at a school or students, so you just click on it. I have read understand the above notices, so then continue. So class name, so whatever the class name, suppose I'm giving this name as test class, and section, whatever the section you want to give, suppose A, and I'm giving maths class. And room, you can leave it this room thing, or whatever you want to write, you can write. Then you can click on create. So it's been created now, creating room. So as you can see, this test class, this has been created. Now what is our next job? The next job is to just add the participants in this classroom, that is the students. So how do you add the students in this classroom? You just click on this people. If you click on people, then you will see here two things, teachers and students. So if you want to add some other teacher to this class, so that he or she can co-teach with you, then you can add it from here. So if I want to invite some teacher, then I will click here. So then add the teacher's email ID. Then suppose I'm just typing this name, and I'm just adding this person to co-teach this paper. Then I will just invite. Then a invitation email will be sent to their email ID. Then now suppose I want to add the students. Then from here you can add the students. You just click on this sign and then write the email address of the students which you want to add to this class. Suppose I want to add many students at a single go. So suppose I have these email IDs and I want to add all these students to my class. Then you can add one by one also. So let me just tell you, if you just select one email ID and then here copy this email ID, and then again go to this, then here paste that email ID, and then just click on this and invite. So if you send an invite, then an invitation will be sent to that particular student. So it's inviting. Next, suppose you want to add many students at a go. Suppose I am selecting these students, control C, I'm copying these email IDs, then go to the class back, then again here click, and then here control V, I have pasted all the email IDs. So add recipients. So it is taking all the email addresses at a single go, and then you can just click on this invite. Then an invitation email will be sent to all these students. So now I have added teachers and students in this class. So next comes the, here come to this thing stream. So here you have class test class A, the name which we gave to this class. This is a class code. So if suppose some student is left which you have not added, and then you can share this class code to that particular student, and using this class code that student can join your class. And if you want to share some news with your students, some announcements, then you can just click here and then write something, and then you can post it. So I'm not posting it right now, I don't want to post it, and you can just click from here. So, or you, if you want to send it to all the students or some particular students, you can select from here. So then this is this stream thing. You can send whatever new announcement you want to give to your students. And then this is the classwork. So you changes. Okay, let me discard it. Then I'm going to this classwork. So if I click on this classwork, then this comes here. Create assignments and questions. Use topics to organize classwork into modules or units. So you can just create your assignments and questions, whatever you want to give in your classwork to the students. Then this is people, which I have already told you. These are the students and teachers which you want to add. Then these are the grades. So if you have given check the assignments and question papers and you have given the grades, then that grades will come here. So this is how you create a Google Classroom. Now, as we have created this classroom, so from if you click on this thing, then this classroom will appear here. So all the classrooms which I have, they are being shown here.